Hello friends. I'm so glad you could come out and enjoy nature with me, to love the beautiful ocean with me. I love the tropics. I especially love the Caribbean. I love the coastline, the ancient algal reefs that look like rock that you see behind me from coral reefs that existed years ago when the sea levels were higher. Today we're looking at the crashing waves, and one of the things I wanted to point out is as the waves behind me recede, notice that there are these dark masses growing right at the edge of the water on the rocks. Those dark masses are actually what we call rockweed. Rockweed is characteristic of the lower parts of the intertidal zone, which shows you that right now we're getting close to low tide here on the beautiful island of St. Croix here in the U.S. Virgin Islands. But you'll see that these algae are actually they are plants, but they're not slimy or anything like that. They are actually very stout, rather tough plants that can take the beating of the waves in these intertidal zones. The rockweeds are fucoid brown algae, phyophyte algae, and these particular ones happen to live in the tropics. But if you move farther north, beyond the great salt marshes of the temperate zones, farther up into the north temperate and boreal zones of the world, you'll find also other rockweeds that are the only primary vegetation dominating the intertidal zone. And of course then below the tidal zone, down in the subtidal area, you actually get into the large kelps. Earlier I talked to you about the sargassum weed, which is another type of brown algae that does not live on the rocks but actually floats on the surface of the water. So you start putting the picture together that these brown algae are critical to marine ecosystems around the world, especially to coastal marine systems, which are of course the most important part to us as humans because we live on land and therefore we take most of our sustenance from the sea in these coastal areas. So get to where you know and love rockweed as well as the other algae that grow in the ocean. Love them along with the rest of the ocean. Get out and enjoy it all, but stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Bye.